Okay, here it is the overall views about the iPhone. You can see we are separate it by parts. So it looks like a very complicated item here. So you can see number one, it is the original iPhones, and number two, it is the back cover remove. Number three, it is the display screen, and we remove it. So please check for the detail like number one, number two, number three accordingly, and we are scared here. You can see as the number from number 1 to number 15. Okay, this part we are tear down and view. It shows us it has the display screen, battery, tapping engines. So this is a good tear down material. Okay, here for more detail and a little bit more clear to understand. So you can read it step by step. Okay, I will view for detail all to the point. Okay, now we craft the detail number to be used. Like this is the number one, it is the original iPhone, and number two we explore to use. You can see it is like we disassemble it by layer, like number one to number 14 here. You can see all the parts. This is the main component of your iPhone, the phone that you are holding every day. Okay, we disassemble it by details more here. You can see all the accessories. Okay, please take a look and then point of number 4. It is the internal frame keys over here. You can see the camera and some detail about the silent switch and some information here. Yeah, you can take a look deeply by seeing for detailed information here. This is the flexible and small parts. You can take a look at and see all the skirt here. Okay, here it is no information. It shows us about what I noticed is about the screw. I think it is a screw that we haven't seen it before. Some people maybe never have seen this screw. You try to understand the iPhone. They are use a very tiny screw. So here you can see the type of the screw. Okay, at the right side here we show the specification. You can read it and try to read and full understanding.